Yo, what's going on, Fearless Gang, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making a really hard melody sample like Pvlace from 808 Mafia. So let's jump right into this one. Alright, we're going to start off with the piano here, and we're in D sharp major scale. Just some really catchy chords, nothing crazy going on here. Alright, I like how that sounds with the velocity, but I'm going to go in here and move the notes around so that they're not all playing right on the grid. Cool thing you can do here with Keyscape is you can exit out of the Keyscape thing and go to this right here. Go to this first layer, and you can turn down the timbre and make it like softer or not. Alright, let's EQ this now. Alright, last thing I'm going to put on this piano is the imager. Just get it in the right spot here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a guitar in here. Sort of like a little arp, sort of sweep in between some different notes. Find something that sounds good to go with the piano here. Again, we're going to keep the guitar real simple. I ended up just drawing something in and it came out way better than I could play on my hand. So I'm going to go in here and do the same thing with the piano. I'm going to put the velocity plugin on here and move some of these back. And put a little more reverb on this piano as well, just to drown it out a little bit more. Alright, back to the guitar. Let's cut out the lows here really quick. Alright guys, so that's how you can make a Pvlace sample from scratch. Hope you guys liked that one. Smash the like button if you did. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we're uploading daily videos, and you're not going to want to miss out on them. But besides that, I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out.